Hello guys, how to begin swing trading? Before we get to answer this question, first we try to see what is this swing trading. Swing trading it has another name. It is called short-term trading. Now why we say swing? Because we follow trends that are going up. It means when the stock is going up for long, let's say days or weeks or months, but it is not investing. Okay, it's not you stay many years in a trade. No, you can stay many days, many weeks, many months according to the trend. It means you only trade when there is a trend in this stock. And we are not interested in the company or what does this company do. We don't care at all. What we care about is if there is a trend. It means a stock, let's say the stock you buy it at $20 and it begins to go up to 25, 30, 40, 50, 60, okay? You will never know where the stock will go. This is what we call swing trading, okay? Now, how to begin this swing trading? First, ask yourself, since you are a beginner, you just get an interest, this kind of trading, what is it for you? Is it just a hobby? A hobby, it means you just heard about people, they are making money because they trade, and you want just to try and to see how this thing work for you. And maybe you have heard that some people become millionaires and you are interested to get into it and to check what's this. Okay, this is what we call hobby. Now there is another thing. When you are looking really to understand trading in general or swing trading in specific, to understand it, to do whatever it takes in order to do a business and to succeed in making money from the market. This is another thing. This is the next step when you are serious. Now, in this following videos, I will give you what is the things that you need in order to become a swing trader, okay? And these things are steps that you can do, okay? The first thing we want to speak here is, as I told you, is it a hobby for you? It's just an interest to see what is swing trading or what is trading, or is it business? Okay, you should think about it. Now, if you have no idea and you want just to try, it's okay. Now, the first thing it comes to your mind when you begin trading is how do you trade, what you should do, and how this thing work. Okay, where do you find these stocks and these companies? How can you buy them? How can you sell them? This is the kind of questions maybe you have. But for me, in this video, I will try just to begin speaking about money. In trading as a business, or just you have an interest, you need to have some money. Now you ask me the question, how much money do I need to begin? I say whatever you have, because if I say to you there is a specific amount, maybe you don't have it, okay? Or maybe you have more. So here is the bottom line. You need to have some money. That's it. Okay? You need to have some money. This is the beginning of your interest. Without money, you can learn, which is okay, which is very good. You can learn, you can, as a hobby, you can get an interest, you can begin to learn. But if you don't have no money at all, you just take it as a hobby and you look from far away. It means you are not into the business. You are not trading because you don't have money. You are not buying stocks, you are not selling stocks, okay? So this idea of money is very, very important. Now, what is the bottom line? I will give you the idea about the money. The more you have, the better you are. This is my bottom line. Don't ask anyone else from now how much money you need. Okay? This is the good thing. The good stuff is the more you have, the more you better. The better you will be as a trader. Okay? Let's say you have $500. You have $5,000. You have $10,000. You have 100,000. You have half a million. You have a million. Depending on you, I don't know. I'm speaking here in general. There are some people who have a lot of money, and there are some people who don't have a lot of money. Okay? Now, let's say you don't have money, or you have 1,000, 2,000. It's okay. It's okay to begin with whatever money you have, because this is just the beginning. It is just the beginning of understanding what is trading and how do you trade, and you can buy and you can sell stocks, but it's not important to have a lot of money at the beginning. You will need a lot of money later, and I will explain that later. Okay? So the first thing you should have is some money. What you should do in the future, it is your job. Okay? You can, for example, you can save more money each month or each paycheck, and you just put in your account. We will speak about broker account, how to open a broker in order to put the money from your bank. We speak another video. Okay? Right now we are just telling you the beginning. So you should save money. Okay? Don't get this idea about some people. They tell you, okay, bring $500 or 1,000, that's it, and after 1 year you become millionaire or become something, you know. Don't chase the dreams like this. It's like gambling when you buy a lottery ticket with $5 or $1 or $10, and then you have $200 million. Okay? Yes, you can, but what is your chance to get that? You have one chance out of 1 billion chances to get this 200 million, 100 million, or $1 billion. Okay? So try not to chase the dreams. Here we are not doing dreams. If you are here in my channel, if you are thinking to go to dreams, just dreams, daydreams like this, I can't help you. I can't help you. You have $500 and you become millionaire next year. I can't help you. Okay? you can search for some other people who do that. Okay? So for me, try to be logical. Trading is a business, like any other business. If I tell you, for example, you want to open a restaurant, for example, or to open a store selling shoes or whatever, or you open a car dealer, it's a business. You need money, you need a lot of stuff, you need a lot of things to do. It's not as easy as you might think. Although trading, it is just you go online, you buy and you sell. Yes, it looks easy, but it is a business that you need to be aware of. The main thing I'm speaking here is about money. Now, you can begin with $500, $1,000, $10,000, $20,000, $100,000, whatever your money you have. You open an account and you put it there. I will speak about how to open the account later in another video. Okay. You need, in the future, if you don't have money, and it is a problem of almost everybody, okay, when you begin, you know, you have no idea about trading. You don't know that you don't have an idea that you need money, so you don't know. So I'm telling you right now that you should begin to raise money. It means to save more money. Let's say you have one job and it is just what you need. Okay, if you want to trade in the future, you try to have a part-time job or another job or whatever in order to have an account. Okay, although you can begin with 500 or 1,000, 10,000, you can begin with that, no problem. But later I will explain later how do you need bigger accounts in order to make money. Okay, this is the first thing, is to save more money, to have a bigger account. Even if you do it in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, there is no problem with that. Okay, I'm trying in this first video to make sure you understand that in the future you need more and more and more money. Why you need more money? You can begin with 1,000 and you stay with it, because you can't progress that fast. Okay, I will give you an example to understand what I'm saying. Let's say 2 traders. One trader has $10,000. The second trader has $100,000. Just an example, okay? Don't say, oh, who is this guy who has 100? No, there are a lot. There are a lot who have a lot of money, especially middle class and the other. They have a lot of money, 500,000, 1 million. They save a lot, and they don't know what to do with this money. Okay, so just an example: 10,000. One trader has 10,000. The other trader has $100,000. They trade the whole year. Let's say they make, just an example, okay? They make 50% profit, 50% of their capital in 1 year. Just an example. Now, how much the guy who has 10,000, how much he make? He make $5,000. 50% of 10,000 is 5,000. So his account begin on the 1st of January, begins with 10,000. 31st December, at the end of the year, he has $15,000. Okay, which is very good. 50% is very good. Now, what do you think about the other guy? They have the same amount, 50%. He has 100,000. How much he will have? 150,000. You see how much money he make? 50,000. And the other one is 5,000. Now, what's the difference between them? It's not a difference because they are not, because of the one who has $10,000, he doesn't know how to trade. No, they make the same. It means they are good traders. Both of them, they are good traders. Okay, so what's the difference? The difference is money. Someone who has $100,000, he make 50%, he will make $50,000 a year. Okay, the other one has 10,000, he make only $5,000, which is 50% of his money. Okay, so this is just an idea to show you that the more you have money, if you become a good trader, you become to see the money, a big money. And then when you have 200,000, 300, 1 million, and the other stuff, this one you become bigger and bigger and bigger. But don't belittle yourself, because trading is about to know how to trade. That's it. And then you should have money. 2 things that go together: have money and become a good trader. To have money, you should save more and more and more. This could be many years. It doesn't matter. For you, the thing that matters is that you be aware of what I am saying right now. It's just you make your account bigger and bigger. 2 things: you save money and you trade. Both of these 2 will give you money. Now, if you have just a little money, 500, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, it's okay. You can begin, but understand that when you have little money, you begin to struggle, and we have a lot of commissions. It means you should pay the broker to buy and sell commissions. This will make your account smaller and smaller, and this is not good. But in the future, you should always save more money and trade until you become a good trader. Now, when you become a good trader, the only problem that you will have in the market is that you don't have money. You see opportunities each day. You see good stocks each day to buy, but you don't have money. Even if you have 50,000, 100,000, still you need more money because you see opportunities and you see stocks are going so good, but you feel sorry that you don't have money. This idea, you will see it when you become a professional trader and you have a big account. Although you have a big account, you will always see opportunities and you don't have money to buy them. What about the guy who has $1,000 or $2,000? He can't buy that much, okay? And this is really a problem for small accounts, okay? But this does not discourage you to begin trading. Trading is a real business. The stock market is one of the biggest money maker in the world. It means if you see the stocks, all American companies are in the stock market, okay? And some people who have money, they become millionaires and they have a lot of money, okay? So this is the first video, and bear with me. I will make more videos and explain everything you need as a beginner, anything that you need in order to become a professional trader. So in this video we spoke about money importance in becoming a good trader, and I have explained swing trading. This is what I do and this is what I teach. Is the easiest thing. If you have a job, a day job or night job, it is better than doing day trading. It's just because day trading, you need to have the morning off and you need to see the news. You should see the trade, the 2 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours. This is too bad. But swing trading is easier. You just search at the end of the day. You search the stocks, you find one, you buy a stock, put stop loss, and leave it. If tomorrow it goes up, you begin making money. It's as easy as that. Okay? And then you follow the stock until it ends, until the trend ends, and then you sell everything, and then you have your own profits. I will explain this in other videos. So, as an introduction, thank you very much for watching. I will make more videos explaining more and more. Please stay with us. Thank you very much.